then.
I think we've got time for 2 laps and
Yeah.
we've got to go on the floor.
Hey everyone, this is James Kim. I'm skiing with my friend Andrew here. I think for the first time this season, maybe. And he called me and he was having some trouble with his skiing, so I came out to help him. Also, today is his practice day for his race. He's participating in a ski cross race, so he wanna get his shit together, so to speak. Okay, I see what's going on here. He's twisting a bit, he's rotating a bit, he's tipping in. Yeah, let's give him some tips and get him up to the speed.
You're doing fine. You're just a little bit hasty. Before the turn's completed, you're turning the other way. So you're
So I'm not finishing.
yeah, just gently. One, two, one,
Okay, then all
two. That's there it is, and you're just doing that plus the twisting action.
Over here.
Hey.
Over here.
You know,
Yeah, but you're gonna go
good.
down and come back
You're
around.
fine.
I'm going to go down now.
Just slow down and relax. It's good. You're not. So at the end of the turn,
Yeah.
you're more. So this is the thing. If you don't create that natural bending of the ski,
Yeah.
you have to create that from something else, and
So
you
you
do it
twist.
that by
Oh, shit.
and dipping it in. So just really lift that inside ski up and then just focus weighing that outside ski.
Okay.
It's like just really hold it there until you feel that your ski completes the turn. Okay.
Yeah.
So I will lead you half the way.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go half the way, and then the other half you pass by me,
Okay.
and then just do and follow my line.
Okay.
Okay. So let's go. I'll go slow. Just follow right behind.
Okay, so I'm basically towing him in, and then get him to learn the speed and the tempo timing, um, because there are a lot of stuff that Andrew doesn't know is how much and when to start and when to end. It seems like from my perspective, and once he knows on that day which condition works, what types of tempo,
Yeah.
he just does fine. So, okay, let's see how he goes down. All right. Yeah, he's quite balanced. That's good. Yeah. So once he start building up from this a bit of a slower movement, but you're hitting all the points, all the key points.
So, Andrew, let's focus on this thing. Your job is to stay centered on the edge. You don't want to try twisting or pressuring it.
Let the ski turn.
Yeah, let the ski.
That's great.
What I mean here at let the ski turn is if you move ahead of the momentum, you will never be able to feel it, but you just need to if you move just right on the momentum, you can feel the ski bends. Um, you can you can when ski bends, your ski feels like suspension because it dampens a lot of chatters. But when you are always um, forcing, if you're forcing your ski will not work like that. It won't work within that sweet spot where it absorbs and it grips. It does all that. When you actually um, don't stay fluid and when you don't relax your body, what's happening is your ski will lose traction and it won't stay consistent. And that's why you want to be really delicate with your ski. You don't want to force anything.
Good.
Some okay stuff? That was pretty fast.
Okay, show me some shorter turn, tighter turns without twisting.
Okay.
Just do the exact same thing, but just do more of do more of this.
Okay. More
Yeah.
pedaling.
More pedaling, yeah, totally.
What I mean by pedaling here is pulling up inside leg. So if you pull your inside leg, you can't really see it here, but if you pull and unweigh your inside leg, that much force will go to your outside ski. It's just physics. So um, there are a lot of control can happen from pulling of your inside leg. Um, but a lot of people do not utilize this in their skiing because it's very hard to see. You just want to pull tiny little bit.
You did the same thing,
Yeah,
but how was the radius? It shortened, right?
much shorter. Yeah.
And did you use all the same technique?
Yeah, there was change of timing
Yeah.
for sure.
And then I saw you're getting a bit of a torque in the turns because it's faster tempo.
Yeah.
It's like,
You can see that
Yeah.
happening. That's a good
yeah.
thing.
That's a good
Yeah.
thing. Because at the end of the turn,
Yeah.
you're reacting and then you're turning from the center. That's
Yeah.
what's torque when the torque is happening.
The bad thing though is I was scrubbing speed.
That's the whole idea.
No, I know, but I was okay.
It was shorter radius turn, right? Like it's like almost in between, like it's a
It's in between a
in
carve and a
between.
skid.
It is a skidding turn. That's what we are doing. Like that's if you do what you did with a bit of a fast tempo and finesse, that's a short turn.
Yeah.
I mean, like that's about 80% short turn. All the components to do the short turn was in there. You know what I mean? So, like, what I'm trying to say is the big turn and short turns are same in terms of the mechanics, but timing, you have to shorten everything down. And so what I'm saying is like when you when you try to turn shorter or tighter, you will try to twist. That's what my observation of you. Whenever
But I
whenever
wasn't twisting them.
no, not here. So the whole idea of you trying to twist is because you want to get more turns in,
Yeah.
right? But you can get more turns in with the angulation, not by pressing or anything. I'm taking away the pressure part. You're just skimming everything.
Okay.
You cannot do short radius turn with the carving. I mean, like you can try, but like, you know, like the whole idea of a
But
short
you'll end up
radius
going
turn
wider.
is, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
okay.
slip is fine. You don't have to grip everything at all times.
Right.
Like control slippage, and
It's
as
a
long
technique.
as you're
It's an appropriate technique.
yeah, it is.
Yeah.
As long as you stay on top of that like because ski, you cannot always be on the edge. You cannot always carve. Even the pure carve, you will have a bit of a skidding going on in between,
Yeah.
right? So
As you transition.
yeah.
Yeah.
So so when you this is the thing when you try to twist things, then you might get the turns, but it's not weighted turn. It's not fully weighted. So the turns right now you performed are weighted. You're weighted to the outside ski. That's why things are natural. And once you start applying the side force,
Yeah.
things will get unnatural.
Right. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
So slow
Like you
down.
end up turning up the
yeah,
hill.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it.
I'll try.
Yeah,
I'll keep doing it. Thanks, man.
yeah,
Physics, I love it. Should we go and enjoy?
yeah. Oh.
Okay, his turning is getting better. We've been working. This is, I think, third run or fourth run. Definitely getting better. I see. He can put more power down to that outside ski, and now he's playing a bit, touching the snow. He's relaxing. That's good. You know, when you play, you're relaxed. Good stuff. Yeah. Be natural, relax. Good. I like that. His skiing is refined, more and more refined compared to earlier.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see his short turn. That's good. Good job, Andrew. I like that.
That's freaking awesome. Yeah. Yeah. That's how you do it.
I'm tired, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, I guess we
Okay, this is bonus clip of my friend Jack carving down some peaks.
Can I follow you?
Another bonus track.
Follow him.
This is Pat skiing down Sundance in some peaks. Go, Pat. Amazing.